Climb inside the 2021 Ram 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, and one-touch window functionality. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.